Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 302, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see the first of your 2 closets on the left. It's a huge closet, lots of storage space in this apartment. To the right of your entry door is your kitchen, set into a little nook that keeps it apart from your main living area. You'll have a refrigerator, a microwave, and an electric oven and stove. Next to the kitchen is your second closet. On into the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a bookshelf, a desk and desk chair, and a full-size bed. This apartment faces north, overlooking the Ithaca Commons. You have a large picture window, great view, plenty of light. Every studio has an air conditioner and a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet and a full shower tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 302. Call us today for availability.